अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम आए हैं बिजी फॉर यू। थोड़ा बताइएगा अहमद भाई क्या है?
Its Chinese name is Lingxi Hanman, but you can, for English, it's busy for you. And this is one of the cheap stores in China. Like the things that you will buy from like 2 RMB, 3 RMB from outside, here you can only buy for 1 RMB. And we'll go inside and let you see that how cheap is this in everything here. Let's come here, start from this rack. As you can see here, the Pepsi and Coke, the drinks are only 1.8 RMB. But if you go outside, it will be like 3 RMB, 2.5 RMB, 3 RMB, and they have almost everything. This is not a very much big store there, but they do have very big stores of theirs. So it's nearby to our apartment, so that's why we came here. And we came here actually to buy the ice cream. But
Okay, just
for you,
just take a tour and then
yeah,
we'll
for
buy
you,
the-
we'll take the tour and let you see like it's everything here. And the name is Lingxi. Lingxi means small snacks, like snack items, and they all have snack items, as you can see. They have biscuits, breads, ice creams, drinks, cakes, and everything like snacks.
according to the kg.
Yeah, this is not the price. This is like half kg, 12.5 RMB for half kg. And they have a lot of flavors and everything in here. And it's not only cheap. This is also really tasty also. Like it's really delicious. As you can see, only 6 RMB for half kg. These are also snacks, but these are like spicy snacks. The ones who like to eat spicy, they have the spicy ones also.
Wow, candies.
Candies. This whole bag is only for 9.5 RMB. As you can see, they have a lot of
So cheap.
so cheap. One of the cheapest brands in China, from where you can buy small snacks.
It's also fun.
And they do have the dry fruits also, as you can see. This you see, they have mixed everything inside, and it's only 29.8 RMB for half kg. Like this one is really cheap also. Everything, like you want to have them separate, you can get separate. Everything. So you see this, you can find everything in China also. Whatever you need to find in Pakistan. So here is the small snacks. In here we do have these noodles, that instant noodles that you just need to put
When you are
hot
traveling
water.
in the train,
Yeah, you just need to put hot water and then you can drink it direct or eat it directly. No, drink it.
that's so easy.
Yeah,
In some minutes.
6.8 RMB, like it's really cheap
Calories.
and it's tasty also. Don't forget it.
What is this?
Everyone likes to eat this, isn't it?